it's Vijaya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make chili paneer. And chili paneer is an Indo-Chinese Hakka style dish of fried cubes of paneer, which are Indian cheese, that are tossed in this rich soy based sauce with a few vegetables. It's so delicious, and if you're vegetarian, this is perfect for you. Even if you're not, it's really tasty, and I know you guys are going to love it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on my social media channels. You guys know how much I love that. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, it's listed down below just underneath the video. So just click that box, it'll expand out, and everything you need is there. Let's get started. Alright, so let's talk paneer. It is the star of the show, and all that paneer is Indian pressed cheese. It's really similar in texture and flavor to ricotta, so there's no salt in it. It's firm, it has a springy texture to it, and it's really tasty. And we're going to start by cutting it up into cubes. Now we're going to create the batter for the paneer, and it's going to give it a really nice crispy crunchy coating to which the sauce is going to stick. Now for this, we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to the bowl, some cornstarch, which is going to add some major crunch factor, and we're going to season things up. So I have a little bit of minced ginger, minced garlic, some salt, and a little bit of cayenne for kick, and those are all going to go in. Now I'm going to whisk it up with a little bit of water to create a thick batter, and then we can toss the paneer in it to coat. My paneer is nice and tossed in my batter, and it's ready to fry. But before we do that, I'm gonna set up a few vegetables. So we have some white onions here and some green peppers. I'm gonna cut them up into large cubes, and they're gonna add some crunch, a little bit of color, and they're just gonna round out the dish and make it really tasty. My peppers and onions are ready, my paneer is good to go, and now we're going to hit the stove and put this all together. Let's do it. So I have a little bit of canola oil in a nonstick pan that's on medium-high heat, and I'm just going to gently lower my paneer in. And you want to make sure not to crowd the pan, and you want to brown it off in batches on all sides. I'm going to add a touch more oil to my pan, and now we're going to saute my vegetables, and we want to do this fast because we want them to be tender but still crisp, okay? So this is going to saute up for about 30 to 45 seconds. Ooh, love that sizzle. Okay, so in this corner here, I have my fried paneer and vegetables, and now I'm going to start working on the ingredients for my sauce. Now this is called chili paneer because, guys, there's chilies in them, and today I'm using these guys. They're called Thai green chilies, and they have a beautiful spicy flavor to them. Now you can use as many or as few as you like. Today I'm going to go in with 5 because I feel like that's sort of middle ground, but feel free to go ham if you like things extra spicy, and we're going to chop them up nice and thin. And I'm going to thinly slice up some green onions. And now we're going to grate up some ginger on my favorite microplane. And some garlic. So all my fresh stuff is chopped up, and now I'm going to work on the actual sauce bit, okay? So I have a little bit of cornstarch here, and we're going to make what's called a slurry, and that's where I dissolve the cornstarch in a little bit of water, and this is going to be our thickening agent for the sauce. So I have a little bit of vegetable stock here. I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry to it. And we're going to give that a mix, as well as some rice wine vinegar, which is going to add some tang, a little bit of sugar, which is going to balance out all the flavors, and our signature dark soy sauce, which is so typical of anything that's sort of made in the chili type fashion, as well as a little sprinkling of salt, and we're going to give that a nice mix. So I have a little bit of canola oil here on medium-high heat, and we have all my ingredients that we've chopped up. They're going to go in for about 10 to 15 seconds or until they're nice and fragrant. sauce base. And we're gonna give that a nice mix and let that thicken up until it's nice and glossy and shiny. And as you can see, within seconds, oh, look at that. It's gonna reach its full thickening potential once it comes up to the boil, but already you can see, oh man. And it smells so good. It smells like your favorite Chinese restaurant, you know? So our sauce has fully thickened, and now I'm gonna add my paneer and vegetables, and we're gonna slowly slide them in, or quickly slide them in, and give them a nice toss in that rich, thick sauce. And just like that, our chili paneer is done. It smells so good in this kitchen right now. I'm so excited to dive in. Of course, you can serve this with a little bit of rice, but I'm gonna eat it straight up, so let's serve up a plate. Oh, it's glossy, it's shiny. Let's get a little bit of paneer in there, some peppers. Mmm. So this is the fun part of the show where I go in for the bite and we see whether I can handle those 5 chilies or not. We shall see, okay? So I'm gonna take a nugget of paneer, just a straight up paneer I think to start. And it looks perfect. It's crunchy, it's golden, it has that beautiful silky, shiny look to it, which I absolutely love. Let's tuck in. Oh my god. It's spicy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh wow, wow. So here's the thing, it is spicy, but then as soon as you start chewing through the paneer and you get the creaminess of that milk, it totally cuts the chili. And you have all those fragrant, the ginger, the garlic, oh man, and then the soy tying everything together. This is a winner, you guys. So yummy. And if you're vegan, hey, what you can do is use firm tofu. It's such an amazing swap and you'll get the exact same result. An amazing Indo-Chinese dish that you can bring into your home in under 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a comment, question, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye!